Are you excited for today? Well, I am excited to be talking to you about your subject, science. I hope that you will be having fun learning today with me. So come on now, let's go. Our topic for today is all about the Play-Doh boat. Will the Play-Doh boat float? So this is all about things that sink or float. So on page 11 and 12 of your science book, we are going to do the following activities. The first activity is on page 11, and this is what we are going to do. Let's read. Create the pattern of the floating boat. Model the Play-Doh as the pattern. So if you have a Play-Doh at home, you can do this one. And then you can just get a basin of water and try to make it float. So let's say we have here, water. Now, in this activity, it says, put a tick in the circle of the test result. So if you have a Play-Doh at home and you try to make it float, on a basin, try to observe the result. Did the Play-Doh boat sink? Did it sink? Did it go under the water? Or did it float? So if your answer is the Play-Doh boat float, then you have to put a check inside this circle. Now let's move on to the next activity, which is on page 12 of your book. This time, kids, we are going to make an experiment about the paper flower. So can a paper flower bloom in the water? I will show you how to make the paper flower first. You have to create the pattern of a flower on a paper. So these are the steps on how you are going to make the pattern of a flower. Of course, you have to have a piece of paper. I have here a piece of paper. I will fold it this way to form a triangle, just like the second step. First step is this one. Fold it, fold, to form a triangle. And then you have to fold it like this. Fold. And then make another fold. Using your scissor, you have to cut. Cut in order for you to come up with this one. After that, you have to let it float in a water, just like this one. Now, you have to observe the result. So, it says here, draw a picture of the test result. So, the result is very important. Put a tick in the circle for the result. So, what do you think will happen to the paper flower? Does it open like this one? Can it bloom in water? If your answer is yes, you have to draw the flower here that is in bloom. So you can draw it like this one. And then for the test result, you have to put a tick here. So that is what you are going to do. Try doing it at home, and you have to ask your mommy's help in cutting the paper flower to make it as your pattern. I hope you are going to enjoy this activity, kids. Kids, I hope that you learned something from our discussions and our activities. I hope to be doing fun with you again next time.